Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this vacuum and blower from HOTO. These guys' stuff is next level. I love all your products. Everything you guys have ever sent me has been fantastic. This one is no exception. Nice one-handled ergonomic grip. So futuristic on the design, on everything that you guys do. Everything is nicely ergonomically placed. It does have a USB-C to USB-C charger that you can charge it up in the back. Now I said this is a suck and blow machine here because it actually processes through here. What you get in the kit, you get an extra filter, some attachments, brush attachments. These brush attachments can easily fit onto these type of deals so that you can go ahead and adjust that as you're out there, which I'm going to show you later on that. You do get a nice retractable and expandable cord. This gives you some flexibility with using tools, but loving the fact that retracts back to be able to store it in the bag that they provide, which is great as well. You do have a nice flat brush here that has a little lint collector piece on the back side of this as well. So if you're pulling off pet hair, pulling stuff off the floor of a car, it's going to help pull that up and then suck it right in there, which is really nice too. And then you get this little blower attachment. So this blower attachment actually just fits onto the back end of this. So we can put that in there, lock that into place. Now you've got your blower. Now this has got 3 settings. It's actually got up to 45 minutes worth of runtime on the low setting, which the low setting of itself provides a lot of blow. As you can see, easily can blow a lot of dust and things like this, even blowing cords. Not quite getting the filter, but man, that is providing some blow, but it's quiet, which is really nice. Now you can turn this thing all the way up. I mean, you can crank that up and then it really is gonna move some air. I mean, this is blowing the accessories off the table. So that's gonna blow some air really well as far as the blow. So that's really cool. Loving the fact that it has that option. The suck option back here, which we're going to connect on outside, I want to go vacuum in my car and kind of show you how to do that, is there. But when you vacuum it up, loving the fact they provide this here, which is a one-touch little dust removal bin. So you can dust it, dump it out, won't have to touch anything. And if you ever do need to get in there to get the hard to reach places or to change out your filter, you just simply push this, turn it, and it provides you access to the filter on there. So everything was thought out really well, really nice put together design. You can use all these pieces independently of one another. So you can use a little dust buster like that, or you can use the attachments. Really cool. Let's go outside and show you how well this vacuums up in a car. So in doing a car, you've actually got this end piece on here that you can slide back to get that nice crevice tool or slide it forward to get the brush. But this crevice tool is really neat because if you get areas down here like behind your seat, maybe you want to get this thing turned on. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on just to low setting here. And we'll see if we can kind of brush up some of this stuff. I mean, it's already sucking stuff up, but if you want that maximum power and crank that up, I mean, that makes short work of any detailed crevices in your car, in your home, your keyboard. I mean, that's going to suck all that stuff up in there. And then whenever you want to get rid of it, you just hold over the trash can, tap it out, and you're ready to go again. This cord that retracts back like this, I can't express how great that is that can do that. Most of them don't do that, and then it ends up just taking up a ton of space, but this will easily fit down like in a side compartment of your car, possibly even fit in a larger cup holder. So if you want to take this with you, this will work great in pretty much any environment.